So, yeah. Hello. I will present the translation and validation of a Norwegian version of Iciq. Okay. Iciq is a patient-completed questionnaire for evaluating symptoms of anal incontinence and its impact on quality of life. It consists of 21 items. 17 of the items are divided into 3 domains: bowel pattern, bowel control, and impact on quality of life. There are 4 additional unscored items, and the IQB is part of the ICI suite for validated continence questionnaires. The study aim was to translate Iciq to Norwegian and to validate the translation. We did the translation and pilot testing according to the Iciq validation methodology. We tested reliability in terms of internal consistency, stability over time. We did a test-retest. We did change scores. And we also tested content validity through patient interviews and review from clinical experts, floor and ceiling effect, and missing data. The construct validity was made in 2 steps. First, we did a confirmatory factor analysis using a structural equation modeling. And secondly, we did an exploratory factor analysis using a principal component analysis. Oh, I ended it. So, 208 Norwegian women and men with anal incontinence completed the questionnaires at baseline. 50 completed the questionnaire again after 1 to 6 weeks in a retest. We recruited community-dwelling adults seeking treatment for anal incontinence in outpatient clinics in 3 different regions of Norway. At baseline, the patients had been newly referred to the outpatient clinics from their GPs. The Norwegian version provided good reliability and content analysis. Validity. In the construct validity, confirmative factor analysis suggested that the original 3-factor solution should be rejected. So the exploratory factor analysis instead suggested a 5-factor solution of the 17 items. So the concluding message is that we need further psychometric testing of Iciq. And perhaps we should discuss whether the existing factor structure of the questionnaire should be revised. Thank you.
Are there any questions?
Thank you for your presentation. I'm very happy to hear it. My name is Ulla. I'm from Denmark. I'm actually in the middle of translating the Iciq. And actually, we came into some trouble. Sorry, we had some troubles, and I guess you've been having the same troubles, that one question has 2 questions in one.
Yes.
How did you go about this during the translation process?
So you mean the first question about frequency
For instance,
daily and at night?
Item 8 has 2 questions in one. And for instance, item 12 has some questions that people don't understand about mucosa. How did your respondents react to this? How did it go? Did you have any, how about the missing items and things like that?
Yeah, missing items was good. It was in average 3.3, and we had up to 11% on one item, which was on this question about sexuality. So that is understandable, but it's still within some recommendations about the validity of missing data. So it's acceptable. Yeah.
One more question.
Yeah.
You talk about the factor analysis and that the loading was not really good. What are you gonna do?
I don't know. Do you have any suggestions?
Maybe we could talk about it, because I guess this is a problem that a lot of people will get when they use this questionnaire, that it does have some problems. Really.
Yeah. And I know that when it comes to construct validity, it's really an overarching kind of, it's very important for the validity of the
exactly
of instruments. Sorry about the language, but you can't decide the construct validity through just 1 or 2 studies. You need to have a refinement over time. So it's a process. So I think that there should be a discussion between researchers about this, because I have some thoughts about how we can change the structure based on my findings, and perhaps there are other who have other thoughts. So we could discuss. I think that's important to do, because it's an important instrument.
So maybe we should all go back to the institute.
Yeah.
Yeah, and discuss the issues.
Yeah, we
Thank
should
you very much.
discuss it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.